Ever wondered what would happen if the universe lost its biggest planet? Well, the number of planetary bodies in our solar system will be reduced to 7, which means there will be one less planet for humanity to explore. But wouldn't it affect the orbit of other planets around the Sun and the existence of life on Earth? Let's find out. According to recent estimates, scientists believe that our Milky Way galaxy accommodates about 400 billion stars. This means the observable universe contains between 1 and 10 trillion orbiting planets, many of which are yet to be explored by scientists. So if Jupiter disappeared today, we could just put it behind us, act like nothing happened, and continue exploring other planets that are available. But it's not all that straightforward. Jupiter is the largest of all planets within our solar system. For perspective, more than 1,300 Earths would fit comfortably into this giant planet. If Earth was the size of a nickel, Jupiter would be about the size of a standard basketball. And if you combined all the other planets into one body, they'd still be 2 times smaller than Jupiter. Losing a massive planetary body, this gas giant will definitely spell doom, not just to our Earth, but for the whole universe as a whole. Jupiter is located between 600 to 1,000 million kilometers from our planet. But if it were to disappear in this very moment, the impact would hit us almost in real time. And in case you're wondering, it'd be worse than anything we've seen. Not even tsunamis and earthquakes would come close. We'd be attacked by swarms of asteroids, and you know what that means. To start with, they will crash into the Earth at high speed and destroy all forms of complex life. There will be no animals, no humans, and you certainly wouldn't be watching this video because there's no chance we would have made it. But come to think of it, asteroids, comets, meteoroids and other celestial objects have always attacked Earth right from the very beginning up until this day. According to reports, about 10 to 50 meteorites hit the Earth every day. However, not all of the celestial objects that hit Earth are meant to destroy it. Scientists say some of these rocky elements are responsible for the presence of life on Earth because they contain water and other minerals that support the existence of life. But ironically, some asteroids are on a mission to undo the good work of their peers. These rogue elements occasionally travel around in space looking for planets to attack and destroy. Some are even big enough to wipe out an entire civilization like it happened several millions of years ago. So where does Jupiter come in all these? And why is life on Earth dependent on gas giants located more than 700 million kilometers away from the Sun? Jupiter is seen as some sort of space superhero that keeps the Earth and other planets safe from asteroids, comets, and other scary celestial objects. In fact, it is believed that the trend of asteroids destroying civilizations could have continued if not for Jupiter's protection, which shields us from the onslaught of space objects like asteroids and comets. Being the biggest planet in the solar system, Jupiter acts as a big brother to protect Earth and other worlds by intercepting these rogue celestial elements before they reach our planet. But how does it do it? Of all the planets in our solar system, Jupiter has the strongest gravitational field, and this allows it to suck in the asteroids and comets heading towards Earth and other planets. This is why the gas giant is sometimes referred to as the vacuum cleaner of the universe. Long-period comets in particular are fond of entering our solar system from its outer reaches, but we almost do not feel their impact because Jupiter arrests them early enough and flings them out of the solar system before they get close to Earth. Although Jupiter is sometimes caught napping once in a while, like once in several million years. That's understandable because even planets have their off days. The important thing is that without this protection, our planet would be susceptible to more attacks from long-period comets and asteroids, and we'd probably be a forgotten species. So we're very much thankful to Jupiter, and it wouldn't even be out of place to describe the gas giant as the guardian of our universe. Interestingly, Jupiter has literally taken bullets for us a couple of times. Like when it got hit by a comet named Shoemaker-Levy 9, and in 2009 when a celestial body plunged into the planet, leaving a massive dent on it about the size of the Pacific Ocean. If that object had somehow found its way past Jupiter to hit Earth, our planet would have turned to a huge ball of fire. The importance of this gas giant becomes more evident when you realise that no other planet in the universe can do what it does. In other words, we'd all be doomed and our world would be condemned to misery and detection without Jupiter. However, Jupiter is not in any way perfect. In fact, scientists have found that the planet can act as the bad guy as well. Sometimes it's unable to pull asteroids and they're able to attack our planet. Perhaps that's what happened when dinosaurs became extinct several million years ago. Jupiter also flings dangerous celestial objects at us from time to time, and scientists believe this supposed guardian of the universe has tried to destroy Earth on many occasions. The first attempt was made some 65 million years ago when this gas giant shot an object at us at hypersonic speed. The object, measuring 10 miles, crashed into our planet, which led to the extinction of dinosaurs. According to reports, the Earth's surface was set ablaze and triggered a domino effect of casualties. The impact was devastating to say the least. Huge earthquakes, tsunamis and torrential rainfall disrupted the Earth. In the process, millions of tons of dust and debris were tossed into the atmosphere, hindering sunlight from reaching the surface. Many years later, scientists launched an investigation into the event to find out which object was responsible for the destruction and where it came from. In the end, they found that it wasn't an asteroid. Instead, it was a comet named Chicxulub Impactor. This means it wasn't supposed to set our planet on fire because it's made of ice dust and frozen gas. But apparently, the unfriendly visitor got some assistance from Jupiter. It's a good thing we were not around at the time, else we would have all been extinct as well. Fast forward to the year 1770, Jupiter made another attempt to destroy the Earth. This time, Lexell's comet was the agent of destruction, but it missed our planet by a mere 1.4 million miles. That's the closest we've ever been to a comet in history. After travelling around the Sun twice over the course of 3 years, the comet returned back to Jupiter before it was sent out of our solar system by the gas giant. So why then is Jupiter seen as the guardian of the universe when indeed it has tried to destroy our home several times? Well, Jupiter is no saint. But while we criticise it, we cannot also forget the times that it shields us from danger as well, because in the end, we'll probably have no planet to call our own without Jupiter. We should also mention that the gas giant played a part in sending some of the comets that supplied water and other organic molecules to Earth during the early days of its formation, which is key for the existence of life on the planet. And in fairness to this big guy, the asteroids that slip through its grasp to make their way into the Earth's atmosphere are not quite as big. So they do not really pose a threat to us. Most of them get burnt in the atmosphere anyway. So in the end, you could say that we owe our existence to Jupiter. And thankfully, it's not about to disappear anytime soon.